Good day everyone, FX Lab here. Today is Monday at ngayon tayo magsisimula mag-trade sa instant funding account. So time check is almost 7:30. So just quick disclaimer, this content provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. So basahin nyo na lang yan. So I'll start my analysis in NAS 100. So yung H1 time frame, nakuha ko lang dyan ay yung extension ng price. Nilagay ko si Fibonacci extension. So we're above 23% level. Then possible pa siyang umangat dito sa 50% level and 78% level. So dito sa mga area na to, dito ako maghahanap ng possible reversal ng price or possible another retracement. So ngayon, probable looking for buying position ako dito pag nakakita ko ng confirmation. So yung preset resistance sa 547 na level, then 19788 level. So go to 5-minute time frame. Here, dito ko titignan yung trend saka yung EMA ko. So bago ko mag-entry, hintayin ko yung price. Hintayin ko yung Asian session na sa 8 AM. So para din sa rules ng prop. So 8 AM siya 8 AM yung drawdown ng prop nagre-reset. So right now we have an uptrend in 5-minute time frame. We have this break of structure. We have this another break of structure, and price is retracing inside this zone. So I'm gonna put my Fibonacci there from this low, this high. That is 50%. We're playing around in 61%, 78% level. So I'm gonna put my EMA. So gusto ko makita si EMA din si market structure na in-sync. Together nakita ko na may tiny reversal sa 20 sa 50 move average na cross. So hintayin ko siyang mag-cross ulit pataas. Saka ako mag-entry. So probable yung price mag-create ng ganyan, mag-create ng low, then tumataas, probable bumagsak, then mag-create ng change of character kasabay ng crossing ng 20 sa 50 moving average. Or gawin ng price is break niya tong high na to, then dyan magkaroon ng change of character. Then from there, then ako probable mag-entry for buying position. So right now, maghihintay lang ako ng gagawin ng price. We either break this high, either change of character, another change of character dito. Then, yan, saka ako po position. So habang naghihintay tayo, check natin kung may news tayo today. So today, wala naman masyado. It's April 28. Wala tayong news, meron lang tayong Euros, Spanish unemployment rate, then CBI realized sales ng GBP. Then meron din tayong CED na federal election. So wala tayong news high impact news kay US. So expect na medyo low volume ngayon. So titignan lang din natin kung makakapag-trade tayo na gamit ng structure. Hello everyone. So right now is 8 o'clock Asian session, opening ng Asian session. So nakakita tayo ng nag-create ng high dito, no? 735. Then, minarkas ko yan as change of character kapag nag-break yung price above that level. So, waiting pa lang ngayon. Opening ng 8 a.m. Kakaroon tayo ng momentum, bullish momentum. So, waiting tayo ng break dyan sa high na yan. So, after 8 a.m. opening, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish candle. Then, nagkaroon ng engulfing candle agad nung next 5 minutes ng opening session. So ngayon, instead na nag-break ng high yung price, nag-change of character to the upside, binigyan tayo ng market ng break pababa. So nagbe-break tayo ngayon, hintay lang tayo ng candle close ng price. So we're gonna switch our bias to bearish. Since nakita natin yung price nagbe-break na pababa. So, tanggalin na natin yung fib natin dito. Also, doon tayo sa 1 hour time frame. Tanggalin na natin sa extension since mukhang nagre-retrace na yung price. Lalagay na natin si fib retracement. Yun. Retracement. So 1 minute before candle close, we break below. If we break below this low, then mag-change of character na tayo. If not, wait tayo ng another candle. We also can see that 20 saka 50 moving average. Si 20 moving average or exponential moving average is below 50 moving average, indicating na downtrend. Nag-reject yung price doon. So also, nag-break na rin yung price sa 100 moving average. So probable target here is around, mali yung pip. So mula dito sa low, na to yung pip dapat, then hanggang to sa high. So target natin is around 8986 na level, so 50% level. Or kapag bumutas dyan, sa 18873 level. Kapag bumutas pa rin dyan, sa 18736 level. So around dyan yung discount price. Good for buying position. Discount price. So right now, we're just waiting for another candle close below our low para masabi natin na change of character na yung price, ay break of structure, since dito pa lang nag-change of character na tayo. Yan. Pero bakit hindi tayo doon nag-entry? Kasi hinihintay ko yung change of character dito sa low na to. Diyan. So nag-break na tayo doon sa low na yan. Ito yung break ng price. So wait tayo mag-break yan, then enter for wait tayo ng retracement, enter sa retracement area. Right now we have a fully break to the downside, get break of structure, then waiting tayo for retracement ng price, then saka natin lalagay si Fibonacci. So ngayon, wait tayo ng bullish candle para may angat yung price. Then i-enter tayo sa 50%. So our stop loss is always above 78% level. And my TP is going to be a 2.5 risk reward ratio. So we finally get that retracement that we're waiting for. Ito yung high natin, and then ito yung low for this downtrend trend. Then we're gonna put our fib from the high to the low, then we're gonna enter in the 50% in this fib, then SL above 78% level, then take profit na 2.5 risk reward ratio. So this is my Properm account, the instant funding. Naglagay ako ng sell limit around 19,342 sa 50% area ng FIB. Then SL above this high, then 2.5 risk to reward ratio. I'm risking about $11 in this trade. Then yun. So we're gonna end this video here, and I'm just gonna post the result later.